Northwest of Bonham, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bonham, Leonard, Whitewright, Bells, Tom Bean, Savoy, Hector, Whaley, Ravenna, Bonham State Park, and Trenton. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.